Hi there, KT family. I just wanted to take a few minutes to introduce you to our new Prayer, Care, Share journal. This is an attempt to release you personally into ministry and also for you to be able to work alongside your cell members or friends to encourage each other in your personal evangelism ministry, or indeed you can work at this as a group and in your cell. What the idea is that you pray for 10 people. Oh, that's a real challenge. I was trying to think the other day, who would be the 10 people I would pray for? Now, some of the people you want to pray for may actually be in the church. You may want to pray for them that they have answers, but try and make it that you're praying for about 10 people, and some people will be in the church, but some people will be your friends and contacts outside of the church. And we're praying that they come into the church family or that God works in their lives. Now, this is a new wineskin. It's not what you've done before. So the difference is what you do is you ask the Lord and say, Lord, what are you saying about these 10 people? And you may have a follow-up action from the Lord or a text to send them or some encouragement. But first of all, let's pray for 10 people that they can come to faith, or at least perhaps have encouragement in the Lord. The second part of the Prayer, Care, Share journal is the care part. And this is something that is a new dimension, that you do 10 acts of kindness. Now, your 10 acts of kindness can be towards the people you're praying for, and let's see if God uses that. But it also might involve other people as well who perhaps aren't on your prayer list. Quick testimony. I was able to give an act of kindness to my doctor the other day and take him a book that really wants to help him. And it opened up a different level of conversation for us. Maybe the Lord is using that to draw him closer to perhaps coming to church. But take a moment to do some actions of kindness, 10 actions of kindness. And here's the thing that you do. You write down what God is saying and also what happens. Now, there's a section in this journal for you to act together as a cell. So as a cell group, as a group or a small group or as a group of friends, what you may want to do is you may want to say, we will do something together and do an act of kindness together. The third element is that we share the gospel, that we tell people how the love of Jesus relates to them. Share. Now, what we've done is we've created some QR codes to take you to the 4 Points website so that you can learn to share the gospel really simply. And also there's some QR codes to mini sermons by myself, and we may add some other sermons there so that you can share those QR codes with your friends and say, hey, just watch this. Because here's the thing about share. You may not be confident to share the gospel yourself, but you can text a link, or you can write a text and encourage somebody to go to a link. But actually, it would be really great if you had a coffee with somebody and shared the gospel. And we want you to, the journal encourages you to share the gospel 10 times. Prayer, care, and share. It's something to do as an individual, but it's also something to do as a group, and to kind of use in your cell group to say, hey, how are you doing with your 10 acts of kindness? Who are you praying for? Can I help you to pray? Did you get to share the gospel this week? We're trying to release your ministry. We're trying to get you to work together as a cell. So you can do it as a cell, as an individual, but come on, let's pray, care, and share, and let's begin to grow ourselves. And come on, let's go on an adventure for God. Who knows what we'll do in the next few weeks? By the way, I wonder if you could do these 10 things, 10 prayers, 10 acts of kindness, sharing the gospel 10 times by May the 1st. perhaps that would be a really great thing. God bless you. I really hope you get to do the Prayer, Care, Share journal, and there will be a PDF version as well that you can download if you haven't got a physical copy. God bless. Have a great day, everyone, and come on, let's pray, care, and share.